Welcome to the channel. This is Sightless Living. If you're new around here, my name is Anita.
Big bold text appears and reads, Sightless Living. Copyright symbol 2021-2024. Sightless Living. All rights reserved. Then disappears.
What is Anita doing today? I am going to make some chicken salad because I want to make a sandwich. The other day we spatchcocked the chicken. There's leftovers in the container right here. I've already chopped up some celery and I'm doing onion. I didn't pull out my cutting board because I'm not doing anything strenuous where I'm cutting or chopping real hard.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share.
Took a slice of onion because we have one opened already, and I'm just chopping them up into little pieces to go in the sandwich. I have on my disposable gloves as usual, and I figured since you've seen me slice, dice, chop, shred in many of the other cooking videos I have on the channel, I didn't need to bore you with that. So I'm practically done. And I'm throwing them in my bowl here with my celery. Now sometimes you can use green onion if you want. You can throw relish in there. Some people put relish, some people put mustard. I'm not doing any of that fancy stuff. I just have some celery, which was one stalk, and the onion, it was a medium onion. It was already used. So I just cut a slice off of it because we keep it in the refrigerator, wrapped in plastic wrap until it's gone if we don't use the entire onion. And then I'm going to add about 8 tablespoons of mayo, but that's after I pull off the chicken. But after I get that in the bowl, I'm going to mix it up, put the mayo in here, and then I'm practically done. I don't think I'll need any seasoning. The chicken was well seasoned for the grill. It's quite tasty. It has a nice light smoky flavor. It is delicious. So I can't wait to get that done. And then I'm going to put it on some oat nut bread. I'm going to go pull out the mayo and I'll be back. I am pulling apart what I can, so it could be like a pulled chicken sandwich. It's easier to use a fork too, but I'm being careful not to put a hole in my gloves. And then with the skin there, because I like to throw the skin in too. Let's see what I do with my knife. I'll just carefully cut it so I don't cut my gloves. Oops. And the thing with these disposable gloves, they never fit right. They keep sliding. So you have to be very careful if you want to use gloves like this. Some people use latex gloves and things. I don't, because you don't know who's allergic to latex. These disposable gloves are thin. They're plastic. And they don't always fit well, but they get the job done. Okay, that may be some cartilage. Don't want that in my chicken salad. But what I did was pull some off of the breast. It was so moist. And it smells wonderful. So I probably won't need much. But some fresh ground black pepper. I'll leave my knife there because I can pull this apart. I like doing that. And I like the gloves because I can work with my hands. So I just mix it around. I am pulling apart what I can. Now they have spicy mayo. I'm not going to try any of that in here. But they have all kinds of flavored mayo. See how long my finger is? Because the gloves sliding down. They don't ever fit right. That's the problem. I discussed fluctuating temperatures in my refrigerator video. So I don't want to have the mayo sitting out while I do this and then I put it back in there. I just don't want to do stuff like that. So I'm working with the chicken. The chicken is cold from coming out of the refrigerator. So by the time I'm done working with it, it should be chilled enough for the sandwich, but not too cold. So I'm just taking little parts and pulling it. And you could also put this on a plate and take a fork and rake the fork through the chicken to pull it. And this is what they do with pulled pork, pulled chicken. My style is cut and pull. And see, it's gathering nicely in there. And look, I can make it into a ball. This is to show you how moist it is. Now usually when you don't grill your food to a crisp, it's dry anyway. But this came out really nice. I like the seasonings I used. So I'll continue and I'll see you in a minute. I mixed it. This is about 2 cups of pulled chicken and about 6 tablespoons of mayo. I got some bread here and I got a little plate. Someone wants tomatoes, so I just stuck them there because I don't have the big tomato. And I wanted green onion in here, but I don't have that either. I had to use regular onion. So I'm going to take this stiff oat nut bread. Darn, I need a ice cream scoop. But anyway, I will just spoon out the chicken salad mixture. Now some people put relish in here, mustard. I didn't do all that. But this should be enough for 2 sandwiches. So that's all I do. Sometimes I'll get fancy. I'll get my ice cream scooper out and scoop it on the bread. You know, sometimes I plate them differently, but we're just chilling out. We're gonna check out some tube and call it a day. I'll just do it like this. Hopefully it's spread evenly. I'm checking the sides because I have on my gloves. That's a little dry up here. So I'll just squeeze it and push it down. It's very heavy. And I'm not going to cut it because I don't know what he wants to do with his tomatoes. But there we go. It's plated. I got my sandwich here on the left and some tomatoes, like 5 of them on the right side of the plate. And that's it. Nothing fancy. Bon appetit. Be sure to subscribe so you can join me on another episode, and I'll see you next time.
Rolling credits appear in big bold white text scrolling upward from the bottom of the screen. Text reads, Anita, hostess/visionary, mountain stream video, TM symbol, videographer/editor. The rest of the text may be read in the description box below. Thanks for watching.